Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and stolen elections are real, people. I know there's people out there that would say that this country has a long history of stolen elections. I would not say that, but they are in fact real. Stolen elections do in fact exist, and of course, it's related to the Fabric Community Sticker Design Challenge, right? And I predicted that this is what was going to happen, right? But stay tuned because I got some exciting information for you guys, especially the people that are going to the Fabric Community Summit in Stockholm coming up in September, as well as anybody else that would like to get their hands on this sticker. Okay, so as you can clearly see, right? I mean, my sticker received over 50% more votes than any other legitimate sticker design. And that's we're not counting this one where, as you saw in my last video, clearly improprieties were going on with the voting on that sticker. But as you can clearly see, so I mean, clearly the community wants this sticker. Now, let's see here. So then they announced the winners. So here is winners of the Fabric Community Sticker Challenge. Now, the only way to get to this, actually, it's kind of hard to find this, but you have to go to Galleries, Community News, right? And then there it is, winners of the Fabric Community Sticker Challenge. Okay, so this one, I voted for this sticker. I voted for this sticker. I voted for this sticker, and I voted for this sticker. So here's the winners, right? So we have this one, which I like. This one, which is kind of cool. This one, which is the one that beat me out because this was the category that I submitted to. And then this one, which I'm not sure what it has to do with super users, but it was submitted under that category. So there you go. But yeah, I mean, so this is the one that won. And as you can see, we received, well, not quite twice as many, just a few votes shy of twice as many votes as this one. And I'm assuming this one was also in the same category. But clearly, we all know that Microsoft was never going to print and distribute this sticker. But we can still get the sticker at the Community Summit. And I'm going to show you how. So here it is. I'm going to post this, right? This is my store. I created a Sticker Mule store. And it's a 3-inch by 3-inch size, so it's even bigger than the 2-inch by 2-inch stickers that Microsoft was going to produce, right? And you can get 10 of them, 10 stickers for only $9, right? So I'll post a link to my store on Sticker Mule. And I'll tell you, anybody that's going to the Fabric Community Summit, if you want to pay the $9, right? $9, there's still time to order these and get these. Mine are my initial 10 are coming in the next few days. They have already ordered them. So if you want to do that, all I'm asking is, get the stickers, take them to the community summit, take a selfie with the sticker, okay, in the Fabric community area. Leave the rest of the stickers, the extra stickers on the table. All right. I will find some way to get you the $9 back. Right. I'm assuming there's some Venmo or Zelle or something, right? There's some way to do this. I don't want to get myself into any kind of trouble with illegal lotteries a la Mr. Beast or anything like that. But man of my word, if it's within my power to get you back your $9, if you post a selfie at the community summit with my sticker, then I'll find some way to reimburse you. All right, but that's not the only way. It's not the only way. So I'm going to order. So if I'd have won this, which I legitimately did, but I was going to get 100 stickers, and the plan was I was going to mail those. I was going to give those stickers away to people that voted for it. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase 100 stickers. I might even swing and purchase 200 stickers, in addition to the 10 or 20 that I already have coming, right? And as of literally just a few moments ago, I am now the proud owner of a P.O. box. So all you have to do to get a sticker, send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, right, to my P.O. box. You don't have to put your name on it. Don't dox yourself or anything. All I need is the address, right? Send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I will send you a sticker. Okay? That's as easy, and can't make it any easier than that. In fact, you know, even if you don't send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, or just don't stamp the envelope, I'll probably put the stamp on it for you. Okay. But I have to limit it. You know, I can't be doing thousands of these, right? So probably cut it off at like 100 or 200 or so. Otherwise, I'm going to go bankrupt, right? I make no money off this YouTube channel, so it is purely my own funding to one, get the PO box, which will be, the address will be in the description of the video, along with a link to the store if you just want to go out and buy them on your own. But yes, my goal is to still get this sticker at the Fabric Community Summit. If anybody can help me with that, I would love to hear from you. That's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.